Cleghorn once again trail. I'm gonna go off roading, get some video. There's some Jeeps out here. There's another K5 out there. Pretty windy out here. Sorry for the wet. Let's get started, man. Sunday. Another bro driving. Yeah. Views on views. Look at that. Look like someone went up that hill right there.
Didn't get very far.
Clear your head. So that goes all that. Then it goes back down.
What do you call it?
I like it so far. Good. Quarantine and chill, huh? Ride. Right here, just almost a halfway point, I think. Spotter up when you go off-roading. turned off, but these fellow Jeep guys are trying to help us out. What a day. What a day.
What a fucking day.
We're not done yet, so let's keep this video going. Well, we made it down. Thanks to these guys who helped us out. We got stranded, but they helped us out. Good Americans, good helpful people. I thought I was gonna die out there. I have work tomorrow morning. What a mission. We're still not home, but we're off the off-roading trail. It's off Cleghorn trail. We made it. 15 right here. Yeah, I'm probably getting something to eat. I'm waiting for my buddy. He's gonna bring some parts. Hopefully, we'll some fires up. It's a long day. I feel like layers and layers of dirt on me. Hopefully we'll get this thing started and go back home. Shit, I gotta work tomorrow. What was your experience from today?
Long, tired.
Almost, what, 10:30 almost? Sunday night.
It was fun though.
After all the troubleshooting, we couldn't get it to start.
Fuel pump.
Fuel pump took a shit, but we're not gonna be here by the... We don't want to drop the fuel tank down tonight, so Juanito came down here to help us out, but no luck. Nope. Waiting on the stupid tow truck. Juan said he's lagging it. Are you on Instagram?
No.
Yeah.
That's your porn.
Pornhub? Pornhub?
It's free.
It's free. He said free description right now.
Anyway.
But hopefully we'll show you when the truck gets here, the tow truck. But this was a long day. I'll be asleep right now, but that didn't work out. He has work, I got work.
I'm off.
Juanito got off tomorrow, but we just gotta wait. This night's not over yet until the fat lady sings. There she is. Heavy ass bitch. We're gonna tow this bitch. Fuck, left us stranded. But hey, you live and learn. It's part of off-roading. Not everything goes well as planned, but hey, you live and learn. That's all we gotta end our night, guys, and end this video finally. Give me a like and subscribe. I'll be posting more adventures, hopefully. Yeah, thank you for watching this video. Whoever took time out and watched this video. It's part of life going, you guys. It kind of sucks. Me and my brother went out alone, but those guys in the Jeep helped us out. And Juanito over here helped us out with the tow. I really appreciate it. Thank goodness for my cousin Juanito. But thank you guys, and I have more videos for sure. More adventures coming up. Peace.